Brothers, let's try out the new version of Model 3's self-driving FSD today. Is it easy to use? You will leave only under the premise. It's time to take care of it. Just give me one. No need to get it. Biggest welcome. Don't be too impatient when using FSD. Everyone should chat and chat with each other. Like an experienced driver, it is very stable and does not kill or accelerate suddenly. If someone like me wants to come over, that's fine. It will make that car change its direction, it will make it. Okay, this is closed too. If this car is too slow, it will overtake it, but the speed is okay now. The speed limit is 50. It can also run 50, run 50. It can only run according to the top speed limit, right? If you are running fast on TV, you will wait for the red light and use FS. I can't go back. I can't go back. Really, especially on the highway, the accuracy can be higher. And it's safe and secure. It's easy to start. Well, you can't close your eyes, right? Once you close your eyes, you'll see what's right, good friend. Then it will avoid it because the car is changing lanes. For example, if you want to avoid it on the public lane in the morning, is it the same? I can't leave either. Well, I still have problems identifying the construction truck when it arrived this morning. I should fix it in the next edition. There will be updates for China's road conditions, but the current version is from February to now and has not been updated. If it has not been updated, it is the current domestic OTA. Autonomous driving laws and regulations restricted. You will avoid him. After cleaning the water tank here, the air conditioner is relatively cool. Thank you. The distance is quite close, and its function of preventing jamming is good. Generally speaking, it can't be jammed, just like the old driver. Let me take a look. But if he is blocked by force, he will leave the circle. As long as he is blocked by force, he will leave the circle. Just look at it, and it looks like an experienced driver. It just avoids things that are 20 centimeters higher on the road. Even if it's a helmet, it will avoid it. He won't force things that are too small. Also, when there is a lot of water at the water stall, he will be forced into this hot water. For example, if the car in front of him doesn't move when it's time to move, will he be able to push the button on his own? It's very civilized and will never play with the loudspeaker, but if it copies it, it will go around it. Go around it, and it won't reverse now. If this version is updated, it should be able to reverse. Okay. Last year, when there was no Ford on this car, I drove less than 10,000 Ford and started running it. It wasn't tiring, right? In less than a year, that's half a year and 40,000 kilometers. It's still a good deal to pay for a full key this time, but even if you spend 64,000 to buy it, it's still less expensive than hiring a driver for a year, and it can be used for life. Even if an accident occurs while driving this car, it is still the driver's responsibility. However, I have not had any accidents while driving it. That is, if it happens, it will usually be caused by someone else. He will not take the initiative to injure others. So far, he has not done so. Subtitles Li Zongqing. It just yields speed and doesn't give way. No matter how urgent the situation is, it won't change that way. They were in a hurry. This guy ran through a red light. If the vehicle in front moves away from the running light, it will also move away from the vehicle in front, causing it to follow the vehicle in front. Like some intersections. When he didn't know how to go, he followed the car in front of him. There were also some intersections where the red light was broken and everyone was waiting for the red light. If the cars on both sides are gone, he will follow them. He will not turn the red light. He will just watch how the cars around him drive. I have encountered this situation many times, and after using the FSD, especially the flashlight, overall, the circuit power is enough. After Okufst, we may accelerate quickly, but TAT will not accelerate quickly. It's more convenient. Hey, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, he will let it go. If it doesn't get into the car, you see, it will dodge it. It will dodge it, and then find that it can't be done here. Will he recall it again? There will be no problem with this. Let's go down and get rid of it. Sometimes I don't dare to walk in these places because they are too narrow and let it open on its own. He has never been here, but he uses signals and does not need signals. He doesn't need the internet. He relies entirely on the local network. It doesn't matter whether he drives with him or not. Will it affect whether he can go out on his own? Or should we drive him out? He has never been here before. He doesn't know how to get around these places. Let's turn around. Okay. Then drop it here. Now can it be started? Can you still go out and start it? It can be started. Click it, right? It's okay. Yves also worried about this situation many times. The curb is very narrow. I was worried that it would be crushed by the steering wheel, but it has never been crushed. The sense of space is quite well controlled, but there are some stops. He will listen to it. He will listen to it. It can be done abroad. No matter how it is, if there is no one in the country, he will listen to it. He will listen to it whether there is anyone or not. I tried it on a particularly complex road construction situation, but it didn't show up. It can also help you deliver goods, and it can also help you with complex road construction on the highway, or even 180-degree U-turns, which are particularly messy. If there are too many ice cream buckets, they can be opened very well, so I will start with this one at the moment. My experience on the highway was indeed such that the belt was broken, and the lead reached the point where I couldn't make progress. Wow, no bullshit.